ഹലോ ഗൈസ്, എൻ്റെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. നമുക്കിവിടെ ഫാസ്റ്റസ്റ്റ് മെത്തേഡിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്നത് നോക്കാം. ഫാസ്റ്റസ്റ്റ് മെത്തേഡ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ വിത്തൗട്ട് വേസ്റ്റിംഗ് ടൈം ഫോർ കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ. Multiplication of two-digit numbers. One. 35 into 48. 2. 73 into 45. Okay. 25 into 74. Next, 56 into 62. And first problem is 35 into 48. 35 into 48. First multiply these two. 8 5s are 40. 3 4s are 12. Then cross multiply. 4 5s are 20. 8 3s are 24. And add 20 plus 24 44. Units place ഇട്ടിട്ട് എഴുതുക. ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് add ചെയ്യുക. 8 6 is the answer. 1680. Once more. 35 into 48. 35 into 48 is 35 into 48. Then first multiply these two and write here. 5s are 40. Next, these two numbers. 3 4s are 12. Then cross multiply and add. 5 into 4 20 plus 3 into 8 24. That is 20 plus 24 44. Units place ഇട്ടിട്ട് എഴുതുക. ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. 0 8 6 1. That is the answer is 1680. Next, second question is 73 into 45. Then 3 5s are 15. 7 4s are 28. Then cross multiply and add. 3 4s are 12 plus 35. 7 5s are 35. 47. എന്നോട് ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് ഇട്ടിട്ട് എഴുതുക. ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. Equal to 3285. 3285. More. 73 into 45. Then for that, first we multiply these two. 3 5s are 15 and right here. 7 4s are 28. Then cross multiply. 3 into 4 12 plus 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 12. Cross multiplying and adding. 47. Units place ഇട്ടിട്ട് എഴുതുക. simply add 5, 8 and 3285, 73 into 45. Next, 25 into 74 is first 25 into 74, 2 digit numbers multiplication. 5 4s are 20, 7 2s are 14. Then multiply, cross multiply. 2 4s are 8 plus 7 5s are 35. 43. Units place ഇട്ടിട്ട് എഴുതുക. Then add these two. 0 5 8 is equal to 1850. And once more, 25 into 74, that is multiplying these two digits 5 and 4 and right here 7 and 2, multiplying 7 and 2 and right here, then cross multiplying and adding. 2 4s are 8 plus 35, 35 plus 8 43. Units place ഇട്ടിട്ട് എഴുതുക. ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. 1850. Next, 56 into 62. Then how will you do that speedily? 6 2s are 12. 5 6 are 30. Then cross multiply. 5 into 2 10 plus 6 6 are 36. 10 plus 36 46. Units place ഇട്ടിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. Then next adding 7 4, that is equal to 3472. Repeating this question, 56 into 62. 56 into 62, 2 digits number multiplication. 6 2s are 12. 5 6 are 30. Then cross multiplying and adding. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 36, 46. 3472. Here 3 more problems. 63 into 45. Next, 78 into 25. Next, 83 into 24. That's equal to, first question is 63 into 45. 63 into 45. Then first 3 5s are 15. Next 6 4s are 24. Then cross multiplying and adding. 30 plus 12 42. Adding. Ones place ഇട്ടിട്ട് ഇവിടെ എഴുതുക. കിട്ടിയ ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കിട്ടിയ, അതായത് 6 into 5 30 plus 3 into 4 12, that is 42. Cross multiply this product, cross multiplying and adding. Then ones place ഇട്ടിട്ട് എഴുതുക 42. Adding 3 that's equal to 2835. So once more, 63 into 45 is, then 5 3s are 15. 6 fours are 24. Then cross multiplying and adding. 6 5s are 30. 4 3s are 12. 30 plus 12 42. Units place 12 add ചെയ്യുക. 2835. Next, 78 into 25. Then 78 into 25. First multiply 8 5s are 40. Then 7 2s are 14. Then multiplying this and this. 35 plus 16. 51. Then adding. Units place ഇട്ടിട്ടാണ് ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആ എമൗണ്ട് ഇവിടെ എഴുതുക. 4 0 5 1950. 1950. Once more. 78 into 25. That is 8 5s are 40. 7 2s are 14. Then cross multiplying and adding. 35 plus 16. 51. 1950. Then one more problem. 83 into 24. That is 83 into 24. Then first multiply 3 and 4, 12. Then 8 to 16. Then cross multiplying and adding. 32 plus 6. 38. Units place ഇട്ടിട്ടുക. Then adding 2 9 is 1992. This is the answer. Next, multiplication of 3-digit numbers using base as 100, 200, 300, 400, etc. 100 multiples. Then multiplication of 3-digit numbers using base as 100, 200, 300, 400, etc. Then you have to multiply a 3-digit number. Hundred and 2 into 105. Then here the nearest base is 100. Then taking base as 100. And 102 into 105. 102 into 105. That is here the base is 100. Then 102. 100 plus 2 is 102. And here is 105. 100 plus base il നിന്ന് എത്ര ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം? ബേസിൽ നിന്ന് എത്ര ഡിഫറൻസ് ഉണ്ട്? 100 plus 5. Taking base as 100, 102 into 105. Our question is this. Then 102. ബേസിന്റെ കൂടെ 2 കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ ഇത് കിട്ടും. 100 plus 2, 102. 100 plus 5, 105. Then cross. 105 plus 2, 107. 102 plus 5, 107. That is 107. Putting 2 zeros. And then multiply these two. Positive 2 into positive 5. That is 10. And adding this, you get the answer. That is equal to 10,710. Repeating, 102 into 105. Then here the base is 100. Then here is 102. That is 100 plus 2. Base 100. ബേസിൻ്റെ കൂടെ എത്ര ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ ഇത് കിട്ടും നോക്കണം. 100 plus 5, 105 is adding this to 107. Adding this to 107. Then we write the number and put in 2 zeros. Then multiply these two. 5 into 2, that is 10. Adding this. 10,710. Next, 105 into 109. It is 105, 109. Then 100 plus 5, 105. Then 100 plus 9. Then base in order 100 plus 5 is 105. 100 plus 9 is 109. Then this 114. Add 114, the 114. Next, putting 2 zeros. Then multiply this two. Positive 5 into positive 9. That is 45. And adding these two, we get the answer. Equal to repeating once more, 105 and 109. Then here is base 100. Nearest base is for these numbers is 100. 100 plus 5, 105. 100 plus 9, 109. Then these two, adding these two, 114. These two, 114. Then we write 114, putting 2 zeros. Then multiplying these two. And add to this 45, adding 1. This 11,445. Next, 108 into 104. Here also base is 100. Then 100 plus 8, 108. 100 plus 4, 104. Then these two, adding these two, crossing. That is 112. Here also 112. Then we write 112 and putting 2 zeros. Multiply these two. Multiply 8 and 4. That is 32. Equal to 11,232. 11,232. Next, 97 into 102. Here also the nearest base is 100. 97, 102. Then here the base is 100. 100 minus 3 is 97. 100 plus 2 is 102. Then adding these two we get 99. These two 99. Therefore 99 putting 2 zeros and multiplying these two. Negative 3 into positive 2. That is negative 6. Then subtracting 6 from this number. 4, 9, 8, 9. That's equal to 9,894. Getting 97 into 102. Then 100 minus 3. 100 minus 3. 97. 100 plus 2. 102. Then these two adding 99. These two adding we get 99. Putting 2 zeros. Putting 2 zeros. 97 plus 2. 99. 102 minus 3. 99. Then putting 2 zeros and multiply these two. Negative 6. Then we subtract 9,900 minus 6. That is 9,894. Next here. 105 into 95. 107 into 98. 102 into 96. That is, taking here also base is 100. Nearest base 100. Then we are 105, 95. Base is 100. 100 plus 5 is 105. 100 minus 5 is 95. That is 105, 95. 100 plus 5 is 105. 100 minus 5 is 195. 100 minus 5 is 95. Then 100, adding these two we get 100. Then putting 2 zeros and multiplying these two. Negative 25. Subtracting 9,975. That is next 107 into 98. 7 into 98. Here also the base is, nearest base is 100. Then 100 plus 7 is 107. 100 minus 2 is 98. Then 105. So also 105. Putting 2 zeros. Multiplying these two. 14. And 1,486. More 107 into 98. Base is 100. 100 plus 7 is 107. 100 plus 7 is 107. 100 minus 2 is 98. Then 105. 105. 105 into zeros and multiplying these two. 7 into minus 2, that is minus 14. ബോറായത് 10,486. And once more, 107. Forgetting 107. The base is 100. 100 plus 7, 107. 100 minus 2, 98. Then this, adding these two, we get 105. These two also cross. We get 105, putting two zeros and multiplying these two values. 7 into minus 2 is 14. Then subtracting minus 14 from this, 10,500. The next one is 102 into 96. 102 into 96. And taking base as 100, 100 plus 2 is 102. 100 minus 4 is 100. 96. 100 minus 4 is, base minus 4 is 96. Once more. 102, 96. Taking base as 100, 100 plus 2, 102. 100 minus 4, 96. Then 102 minus 4, 98. This also 98, this also 98. 98, putting two zeros and multiplying these two. 102 minus 4, 100. 98. 96 plus 2, 98. 98, putting two zeros and multiplying these two. Minus 8 and subtracting. Is equal to 9,792. Multiplication using 200 as base. 200 as base. 2 ഇവിടെ base എത്രയാണ് 200. Base 200. Then 203 into 205. That is 203, 205. Base 200. 200 plus 3 is 203. 200 plus 5 is 205. Then adding these two, we get 208. These two also 208. We do not write 208 here because the base is 200. Therefore, 208 into 2. If the base is 200, we multiply this cos sum into 2. 208 into 2. 416. Then putting two zeros and multiplying these two and adding. Equal to 41,615. Then once more. 203 into 205. Taking base as 200. 203, 205. Then base 200. 200 plus 3 is 203. 200 plus 5 is 205. Then crossing and adding 208. Here also 208. We do not write here 208. 208 ne 2 വെച്ച് multiply. Here base is 200, then we multiply by 2. When base is 300, then we multiply this sum by 3. 300 2. 416, putting 2 zeros and multiplying these two. 5 threes are 15. 41,615. Here. 208 into 205 or 206. 208 into 206. 208. Here also the nearest base is 200. 206. 108 into 206. Then the base is 200. 200 plus 8 is 208. 200 plus 6 is 208. Here the base is 200. Then 200 plus 8 is 208. 200 plus 6 is 206. Then adding these two, 214. These two also 214. Then 214 into 2. Here the base is 2. If the base is 300, multiply this into 3. Here the base is 200, then multiply it into 2. 428, putting 2 zeros, and 128, putting 2 zeros, and multiply these two. 48 and adding. Equal to 42,848. Okay, once more. 208 into 206. Here also the base is 200. Then 200 plus 8 is 208. 200 plus 6 is 206. Then adding these two we get 214. This 214 we must multiply this into 2. It is 428, putting 2 zeros and multiplying these two. 48 and adding. Right? 42,848. Next, 204 into 202. 204 into 202. Here also the base is 200. Then 200 plus 4 is 204. 200 plus 2 is 202. Then 206, 206. Then we have to multiply 206 into 2. Here the base is 200. Therefore we have to multiply by 2. And then 12, putting 2 zeros and then multiplying these two. Equals 41,208. (206) into 203. 206, 203. Then here also the nearest base is 200. Then 200 plus 6 equal to 206. 200 plus 3, 203. Then these two, 209, these two, 209. Then 209 into 2, the base is 200. 418, putting 2 zeros and adding these two. Next, 197 into 202. 203 into 194. 197. 202. Here also base is 200. 200 is minus 3. 197. 200 plus 2. Then 197 plus 2. 199. So also 199. With 2. 398. 398. 0, 0. This 2. Multiplying these two. Minus 6. Subtract. Still, once more, 197, 202. Taking base as 100, 200 minus 3, 197, 200 plus 2, then 199 cos 199 into 2, here base is 2. 398, 0, 0. Then multiply these two. Minus 6. That is 7,794. Taking base as 100, 203 and 194. 203, 200 plus 3, 194, 200 minus 6, that is 197. 197 we have to multiply 2. 394 into zeros minus 18 plus 3 into negative 6. Then and once more 203 194. Taking 200 as base, 200 plus 3 is 203. 200 minus 6 is 194. Then 197. You have to multiply 2. 394, 0, 0, multiply this and subtract, minus 18. Instead, multiplication of 3-digit numbers using 300 as base. Base 300. 302 into 304. This your base is 300. Base 300. 302. 304. Then 300 plus 2. Base 300. 300 plus 2. 302. 300 plus 4. 304. Then 306. We have here the base is 300, therefore we have to multiply by 3. 918, putting 2 zeros and adding these 2. Is equal to 1808. 305 into 308. Then taking base as 300, 305 into 308. Then 300 plus 5 is 305 base. 300 plus 8 is 308. Then 313, adding these two. Multiply, if the base is 300, then we multiply by 3. 39, putting 2 zeros and multiplying these two, 40, and adding. Once more, 305 into 308. 305 into 308 here near the nearest base is 300. Then 300 plus 5 is 300. 300 plus 8 is 308. Then 313, adding these two. 313, we must, here the base is 300, then we have to multiply it by 3. Is 939, putting 2 zeros and multiply these two. The 3,940. 297 into 302. 299 into 303. Then taking base as 300, that is 297 and 302. That is 300 minus 297. 300 plus 2. That is 299. 299, 299. 299 3 വെച്ച് ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യണം. ബേസ് 3 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് 3 വെച്ച് ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യണം. 897, putting 2 zeros, 6. 89,694. Once more. 297, 302. Taking 300 as base, then 300 minus 3. 300 plus 2. That is 299. Here also 299. We have to multiply 299 by 3. 897, putting 2 zeros. We have to multiply by 3 because the nearest base is 300. Then minus 6. 6 is the answer. 89,694. That is, taking 300 as base, 300 minus 3, 297. 300 plus 2, 302. Then adding these two, we get 299. These two also 299. We have to multiply 299 into 3. We get 897, putting 2 zeros and subtracting 6. 89,694. Next one, 299 and 303. Then 300 minus 1 is 299. 300 plus 3. Then 302, adding these two. 302. 302 into 3. We have, the base is 300. We have to multiply this into 3. 906, putting 2 zeros and multiplying these two and subtracting. Minus 3. Is equal to 90,597. Once more. 299 and 303. Then taking 300 as base, then 300 minus 1 is 299. 300 plus 3 is 303. Then 302. 302 in 3 which multiply. 106, 0, 0. Then multiply these two and 90,597. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണേ. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കല്ലേ. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഇടാം.